OEMTOOLS 25649 14-cylinder head rethreaded kit mechanics tool for rethreading cylinder heads includes combination TapReamer. Easy repair next time you have to repair a spark plug. Just reach for this easy thread repair tool kit. You won't need anything else for your repair, and anyone can use it. Keep in mind, this product is meant only for use with aluminum heads. Orion motor TECOMT metric thread repair tool kit HSS drill bits taps threaded inserts installation tool and Tang brake. Off tool set for repairing M5, M6, mate, M10, M12 internal screw holes, 131 ks. All in 1 kit. This 131-piece thread repair tool kit by Orion Motor Tech includes bits, taps, and inserts in the 5 most needed metric sizes M5, M6, mate, M10, and M12. HHIP 10 11.84 31-piece 516.18 helical STI thread repair kit. Simple and easy to use kit for repairing tapped holes. Cost-effective system creates stronger than original threads. Kit includes 25 stainless steel 5/16.18 inserts, 5/16.18 STI high-speed steel tap. Also includes one piece of a 21/64 high-speed steel twist drill, one coil driver, one Tang breaker, one L hex wrench, and one metal case. Automotive universal thread restorer. External thread repair tool. Easily replaces hundreds of dies. Universal thread repair tool. One-hand tool repairs inch or metric, right or left-handed, coarse or fine threads, and more. Quick sighting. No need for a caliper or pitch gauge to determine diameter or thread count or type. Premium thread repair kit 131 piece HSS drill helicoil set. Metric M5, M6 mate, M10, M12. Durable. Strong performance. Designed to repair or replace damaged or stripped internal screw threads with long-lasting, durable results. Easy to use. User-friendly kit suitable for restoring damaged threads in automotive and engine repair applications. Organized storage. Complete kit comes in a convenient steel carrying case, making tool organization and transport a breeze. AKM 263 PC thread repair kit. HSS drill helicoil repair kit SAE metric 13 51638 71612 M5 M6 mate M10 M12 kit with thread gauge. This thread repair kit is used to repair or replace damaged or stripped internal screw threads. Suitable for engine repair and other automotive applications. SAE and metric. The kit has altogether 261 pieces including insert installations, wire thread inserts, twist drill bits, thread taps, lug breaking tools that allow you to have a smooth repairing experience. All made according to professional standard.